Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving to the world of AI and content creation with an exciting tool. Yes, AI YouTube short video generator. If you have ever wanted to turn your text into engaging videos effortlessly, then you are in the right place. Stick around as we explore this free AI powered tool, see how it can revolutionize your content creation process. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can generate short videos and you can upload into your YouTube channel, Reels video, TikTok, wherever you want. Just create and publish. So first thing first, you have to create a account, and you can create an account using your Gmail account. Okay, so this is completely free. Okay, so click on create project, first thing. So click on start with AI, and here you can see make a video about. So make sure your prompt is very clear. That's mean what kind of videos you want to produce. Alright, so top 10 business that does not need money to start. So let's see how they create videos. Okay, so click on generate video. So maybe you are wondering how it's easy, just giving a prompt and just tools they are creating a videos for me. Yes, absolutely, you're right. So here you can see, as a content creator, I know how it's difficult to writing a script and recording voiceover and collecting different kind of copyright free music and the stock media. Finding stock media is really tough. Okay, so it takes time, and it's took maybe 2 or 3 days to preparing the video. But vid.io, it's really amazing tools, and it's preparing a full video using whole things like script, voiceover, background music, stock media. Okay, so let's see how the video is look like. Okay, all right my friends, so our video is ready. This is our video, 33 seconds. Okay, so here you can see the audio made and this different kind of video footage. Okay, and the text to voice. So click on text to voice. So this is the automated generated text to voice. All right, and this is the subtitles. Okay, so I'm going to delete the music. Okay, audio set. So maybe I got copyright strike. Okay, so let's see. And also we are going to produce a short video. So click on that and you will select YouTube shorts video. All right, I want to watch this video like YouTube full version. Okay, so this is the full version, so you can also download this. Okay, so let's play the video.
1. Consulting services. 2. Social media management.
Here you can see
3. Online tutoring. 4. Freelance writing. 5. Affiliate marketing. 6. Graphic design. 7. Virtual assistant services. 8. Podcasting. 9. Handmade crafts. And 10. Dropshipping. With creativity and dedication, you can kickstart your business without breaking the bank.
Alright, so this is our video. So let's download it. So click on YouTube Shorts and just click on done section, and make sure the standard and the barn subtitle, and click on export video. It's really easy guys, so you don't need to high skill to create videos like, okay, so finally video is rendering done 100%, and then you can download over there. Click on download button and click on MP4 720 pixels. So if you want to download premium download, okay, so no watermark. Here you can see full HD. So maybe you can purchase their premium packages. Okay, so if you have extra money. Okay, so if you don't have money, so don't worry, just use their free version. Okay guys, so I'm going to create another shorts video. Okay guys, so let's create the second project. Click on start with AI, and I'm going to write here. Alright, so this time I'm going to find a different niche like a dog or any travel or any something like fashion. Okay, so suppose let's see the dog. Okay, where you are want to create a dog channel. Okay, so how we can create shorts video. Alright, so cute dog walking and wearing a sunny hat. So I don't know how they create. Okay, so let's see. So generate video. Alright guys, our video is ready. Okay, so let's see how nice the scenario is. Okay, also they are adding subtitle and text to speech. So if you want to delete subtitle and speech, you can. So I'm going to delete the audio. Okay, so let's play the video.
Just taking my furry mate out for a stroll, and would you look at him rocking that sunny hat like a true Aussie larrikin. With his tail wagging and ears flopping, he's the epitome of cute overload. Walking with him is like having a ray of sunshine by my side. People passing by can't help but smile at his adorable antics. It's moments like these that make life brighter and more awesome. Cheers to my little sunshine on 4 legs.
Alright guys, I hope you love this. Okay, so you can create like any model or actor, actress, travel, different kind of niches. I think you can understand. Okay, so let's download this video. Alright, so our video is ready to download, so click on download and mp4. Okay, alright guys, so our 2 videos already downloaded, so I'm going to upload into my YouTube channel. So click on plus button, click on create and click on upload video. So I'm going to select the video. Okay, 10 no cost business ideas to start. Okay, it's really amazing, the title. Also you can add some title using vidIQ AI, get AI title recommendation. Just if you want to produce AI title, so click on get AI title. Okay, so it will come up with different kind of titles, I think so. Alright, here you can see 0 investment business ideas. You can start now. Top 10 free business ideas for entrepreneurs. Start a business for free with 10 ideas. Okay, no money, no problem. 10 business ideas to begin. Free business ideas. Okay, so 0 investment business ideas, you can start now. So I'm going to select this, and here you can see it's updated over there. Oh, okay, so let's go back to our description section. Okay, so let's remove the links over there and just copy the title. Alright, so if you want to create AI description, so click on AI description. Alright, so AI description, so you must add some keywords. So I'm going to add 0 investment business ideas. This is our video keyword. Okay, so let's click on generate. Okay, so guys, this is my first time I am using vidIQ AI. Okay, so it's really amazing. They are giving such a beautiful title, which is really SEO friendly. Also they are creating this kind of description. So if I want to insert, so click on insert there, so it will automatically insert it into my description. Here you can see looking for. Alright, so scroll down, our title, video description is ready. Select not for kids. So this video is generated by AI. Click on yes. Okay, also you can select the tags, it's really important. Alright, so 0 investment business ideas. So let's select different kind of tags. Okay, money, first of all, 0 investment business ideas, how to make money online. So click on how to make money online and you will see different kind of tags over there. Click on side hustle again, make money, side hustle. Okay, which is really important to rank my videos. Alright, so let's go back to our next section. Okay, and click on add related videos. So if you have already different kind of videos, so you can add over there. This is really important, so to get more views on that topic. Okay, next, if you want to publish, so click on public and publish. So I'm going to unlisted this and make sure it's not copyrighted. Okay, alright guys, so this is our shorts video and restriction. Here you can see none. Also you can check over there detail section, and you can also check the dashboard. Here you can see visibility and restriction none. Okay, so there is no problem at all to upload this kind of videos. Okay, and one more thing, I just forgot this. So if you want to create like a suggested hashtag, so you can. Okay, alright, so you can, it's a suggested hashtag take Shopify alternative Bitcoins, which is really important for the videos. Okay, so this is how you can create your videos and you can upload in your YouTube channel. So one more suggestion, if you want to upload shorts video again and again, so please try your mobile phone. Okay, your Android or iPhone, whatever it is, so you can upload from your mobile phone. So you can customize your videos like thumbnail section. Okay, here you can see, check the thumbnail section. For now we can't change the thumbnail on your shorts video, so only you can change your thumbnail. Like first time when you upload, you can choose by yourself and you can select the best one, like the thumbnail section. Okay, so that's it for today's video. These AI powered tools make it incredibly easy to create a stunning short video for you. So let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating.